Hi guys, today we are going to be bowling. Right now it's raining and we're outside, but we're going to be bowling today and we're going to be showing you stuff. So yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we might do a shout out at the end of the video.
To who?
To someone. So before we do that, we are going to head inside. So right now we're inside. Right now we are walking into our bowling lane 11. If you could even see, I'm going to get my drink. Well, yes. My drink. Right now I am going to get my ball. Sorry, I'm going to be bowling with bumpers like I just said a little bit ago. I did not get any. So guys, I'm not filming my dad. I don't know why. I just don't want to. But so it is my turn. So my dad will set this up. Sorry, I just can't pause it. Equals 3. Okay, it's my turn now. Honestly, I'll tell you the score at the end. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, and guys, the one in the middle is ours, to tell you. Yes. So if you were looking at any other ones, just rewind this and then you could look at it. So guys, that's my turn. Yes. So if you guys need to pause and look again, you can always do that. Subscribe, you can unsubscribe, as I never said in the video. But like, I'm 7 now. Oh, and you guys did not know I'm 7. I'm 7 now. Well, now I'm gonna bowl. pins. First, 8 pins. But maybe not. Who knows? I guess I did get 8 pins. Second grade. So, where my dad went, I'm not gonna tell you guys, but like where my dad went, I'm just waiting for him. It's his turn. I look so weird at. Oh, and what's your guys' favorite animal? Mine? Oh. Okay, here is a shout out to Kylie. I gave Kylie a shout out.
You did for Kylie?
Yeah, I gave Kylie. Oh, and guys, that's not the end of the video of that shout out because yeah, sorry if that was just a little too crazy. Oh, and sorry about that too. It's my turn again. My dad got a turkey. If you know what that is, it's 3 strikes in a row. Because it is here. Guys, it would really support me if you guys subscribed in 3, 2, 1. But if you didn't, that's okay. You don't really have to. Guys, I think I might edit the sound out if I can. Because it's that loud. We are going to Facebook with my dad in some separate video. Okay, it's my turn. So yeah, I will. You guys just watch me. Sorry if that bothers you. This place is so loud. be a very long thing, so we're gonna like maybe cut out some bullying. So yes. So yes, we're gonna maybe cut out like a few more. So what I meant is we're not gonna cut them out. We're gonna cut out a few in the next one because we just did an entire round. Sorry that I'm not really smiling. My smiles do not have big eyes. Here's the results. End of our video. Shout out to Chris, my dad's friend at work. So yeah, we did a shout out to